Hey guys, backyard scrapping here. I actually got a quick mail call to do. I still have some other unboxings and a really old mail call that I actually have to do in a separate video. This is from Andrew, the guy that I got my speed loader from. I will get to that, Andrew, if you're watching. I apologize. I mean, I know everybody knows I had a hectic a hectic month. But anyway, let me get to these real quick. This first one is from Rick G. So I'm going to go ahead and see what Rick has sent us. Oh, it's the certificate. Okay, great. He finally got his. He says BYS finally got the COA. Sorry for the delay, Rick G. This was for the this is the COA for the drywall, the number 13 bar that he poured for me, that he did in the drywall mold sometime back. So, thank you, Rick. I appreciate that. And let me get to Todd. This one's from Todd Miller. So let me get this one open real quick. I'm not going to try and keep you all real long with a mail call, because I know my videos are always long. So when I do a mail call, I'm going to try and keep them as brief as possible. And it is one of Todd Miller's, or actually two of Todd Miller's stickers. I have that one, but I do not have that one. Let me look up here. Nope, I don't have that one. So I'll put this one with my extras, and I'll put this one back up next to your other one, Todd. I greatly appreciate it. Guys, like I said, I'm going to try and keep my mail calls as short as I can. Todd, I greatly appreciate that. I think you have my sticker or magnet or both. If you don't, let me know. And I know you have one or the other. If you want another one, just let me know and I'll get one out to you. And Rick, thanks again for the certificate for the bar, which I knew you did it and you knew you did it, but it's still nice to have that number 13. Alrighty guys, take care and we'll see you all in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.